Mackenzie. I'm Miss Hollis, and we're gonna be doing the block design today, okay?
Okay.
So, what we're gonna do the first one together. We're gonna show you how to design the block. So, looking at this picture right here, let's go ahead together and design the block set. So, we're looking at the tops. Some of them have red, some of them have white. So, looking at this block design, how would you design the block, this design? All right, that's good. That's good. So you understand what you're doing? Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. All right. Now you're going to look at this design. Can you design this block for me? Okay. Ready? Begin. All right. Good job. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's design this block here. You think you need to try it again? Just leave it like this and look at it. And look at yours. Okay. All right. Let's try this one. Try that. Wait just a minute. Let me tell you the start. Okay, ready, set, begin. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, all right, ready, set, begin. All right. Ready, set, begin. All right. Okay, ready, set, begin. Okay. All right. Good job. All right. You ready for the next one? Okay. Ready, set, begin. You done? Okay, all right. Okay, ready for the next one? Okay, ready, set, and begin. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna give you, you're gonna get those 9 blocks and you're gonna add it with this one, and you're gonna do the next one. Okay? And I'll tell you when to begin. Okay? All right? Now, ready? Begin. Okay, you done? Okay. Let me see.
I still have to fix these on those two.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, all right. So now we are done with the block design. So now we're gonna work on now we're gonna work on similarities, okay?
What's that?
Similarities? Okay, similarities are each item may repeat. Similarity, so it's like if I give you two items or two words and you tell me how they similar, okay? So, so the first word I will give you and you tell me if they are similar, okay? Or tell me how they are similar, I'm sorry. So if I say butterfly and bee, what are they? How are they similar?
Because when they're not.
Okay, let me point it out to you. So we'll look at this example. Okay, so all right. So a sample item would be 3 and 4. What are 3 and 4? How are they similar?
They're not. Wait.
How similar? How are they the same? 3 and 4. How are they the same?
They're not the same because 3 has not a equal amount and 4 has, and 4 can put like 2 in a group and then another 2 in a group and then 3 when you try to put 2 in a group and then if you have 3 like this and you try to put 2 in a group and then 1 is left out. So 3 and 4 is not similar.
Okay, all right. So I understand how you said that, but I'm going to help you this time. I'm going to show you what I mean by similar. So when I say 3 and 4, they are similar because they are numbers.
How?
Because they're numbers. They're on the number line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So those numbers, right? So that's how they're similar.
Oh.
So when I tell you, let's start with similar or how they are like. Okay, so if I say, if I ask you, how are butterflies and bees alike? How are butterflies and bees alike? Think about it. How are they similar? What are bugs? I mean, what are bees?
That give you honey. They give you
Okay,
honey.
they give you honey. What is another word for, what's another word for a butterfly and a bee? What can you call them? Besides calling them butterflies and bees, what else are they considered?
Butterfly bee.
Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say it like that. In what way are a butterfly and a bee alike?
How are they alike?
Mm-hmm.
Because they both have wings, and
Okay. So they have wings. Can you give me another way they are alike?
they have ears,
Okay. All right.
and they have that's it, that's all I know.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. In what way are a horse and a cow alike?
Because they both have ears, and they both have tails, and they both have and they both kick, and they both have
Okay.
that's it.
Let's see. Be more specific. In what way are a horse and a cow alike?
They both
Besides having tails and ears, how are they alike?
because they both have I forgot the name.
Think about it. How are a horse and a cow alike? Besides they have tails and ears, how are they alike?
They both have
They both, how are they alike?
they both have hair, and they both have
All right. So I'm going to tell you how they both are alike. They both are animals, right? That's how they are alike. They are animals. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. In what way are a brother and a sister alike?
they both are alike because they live in the same family, and they're people, and they could hear, and they could eat, and they could smell, and that's it.
Okay. All right. In what way are winter and summer alike?
Because they're both season and they both have light and wind. So, what did you say?
In what ways are winter and summer alike?
Because summer is most hotter and it brings out light, and winter is when it's cold and it has rain.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Okay. In what way are angry and happy alike?
Because angry is like mad and angry and mean and happy are they are happy and they are kind and they are helpful, and mean is when
Okay. So how are they alike? How, in what way are angry and happy alike? How are they alike?
because they're both because sometimes happy when people are happy, and then they sometimes get mad, and then when they're mad.
Okay,
they
so
sometimes
if
get
they're happy and then they're mad, how are they alike? How's that alike?
because they both have feelings and anger has hurt and happy has joyful.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. In what way are sour and salty alike?
Sour and salty.
Mm-hmm. In what way are sour and salty alike?
So you mean for salty is salt.
Sour and salty. How are they alike?
I don't know salty. I only know sour.
You don't know salty? Sour and salty alike?
I only know sour. I don't know salty.
Oh. Well, what is sour? Can you tell me?
Sour makes you have a reaction when you lick it, and sour give you a funny face, and sour has. That's it.
Well, can you be more specific? Can you tell me more details about what do you mean by licking?
So you look a sour thing, you like it.
What's another word for licking? What is it called?
Tasting.
Okay. In what way are a truck and a train alike?
Because trucks.
How is a truck and a train alike? How are they alike?
Because they both are cars, and they both have that thing when you honk it. That thing when you honk it, and they both have wheels, and they both have a steering wheel, and they both have seats, and that's it. That's all I got.
Can you be more specific? How are they alike?
Because they both
way are a truck and a train alike?
Because they both have that. So when they go too fast, they both got. And they gotta press the they gotta press they gotta press the they gotta press the gas. I mean that thing when you step on when you go super fast.
Okay. In what way are blocks and clay alike?
Because they both have.
In what way are blocks and clay alike?
Because they are both. They both have.
In what way are blocks and clay alike? No response? Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
Oh wait,
You got something?
I think
What you have?
they both have. They both have different colors, and they both have this. They both have a different color, and they both have a different way to play with it, and they both are. And they both. That's it.
Can you be more specific about they both play? Can you tell me more about that?
But you can play with them, and they have different. Like you can both play with them, and they have different colors, and you can play with them a different type of way.
Okay. All right. Can you tell me in what way are a knee and ankle alike?
Because when it's a part, it's a part of your body, and they both have bones, and they both can move, and they both have. And when you run, you your your ankle and your knee are moving back and forth. So when you are playing, they move back and forth, and they and when you go play on the playground, and you swing your legs, your ankle goes up, and then your knee goes up too, and then they just go back and forth.
Okay. All right. In what way are a thermometer and a timer alike?
Because they both take time and they both are clocks and they both give you time when they're going and they both have a thing when it tells you and it tells you and it tells you what time it is and when you want to go somewhere. That's all I have.
Okay. Okay. The next one is, in what way are ice and steam alike?
I don't know what steam is.
Ice and steam.
They are both cold and they both are ice and they both go in cold drinks and they both melt when it gets hot. That's all I got.
Okay.
I'm sleepy.
Okay. All right. In what way are river and mountain alike?
They both have, because a mountain have, they can have lava or they can have like this ocean kind of thing. Cause I watched it at school, and then the ocean waves and your batteries on 20. And they both wave, and then when the volcano come out with the water, and it both, and then the lava do this, and so as the river or the ocean.
Okay. Mackenzie. All right. We're going to take a break and we'll start back up, okay?